Hello friends, in our environment chapter number 15, let's discuss another topic which is called biological magnification. Topic give us to learn, it is called biological magnification. First we know all living organisms are dependent on each other for their requirement of food and make a food chain. As we know, all living organisms are depend on each other for their requirement of food, make a food chain. With help of food chain, every organisms, or you can word is every living organisms gets energy. With the help of food, any living organism gets energy. But what happens whenever non-biodegradable substance whenever not biodegradable substance can enter in the biotic factor, it affects all living organisms. These two sentences are so easy when we write any living organism dependent for their food requirement and make a food chain and gets energy. But what happens when non-biodegradable substance can enter in the biotic factor? It affects all living organisms. For example, overuse of pesticides or chemicals are we can write here, when farmers can overuse pesticides or insecticides or other chemicals. Pesticides are non-biodegradable substances. So their concentration is going on each tropic level. They are non-biodegradable, so its concentration is going on each tropic level. They are non-biodegradable so they store in each tropic level. For this type of non-biodegradable substances, first store into the soil and water, and after goes to the plants and further herbivores and then carnivores. Let's see again. When farmers can use pesticides or insecticides for any purpose, suppose crop field increase of crop field, or to make some crops more, they use overuse of pesticides or insecticides or other chemicals, but these chemicals are non-biodegradable. Their concentration is going on each tropic level. They store in each tropic level. They is in the source of soil and water, and they goes into first of all plants. When herbivores eat this type of plants, they can goes into carnivores. When carnivores eat herbivores, so each tropic level this type of insecticides are stored and goes on. Human considered has a top of each tropic level. Human is considered when human is occur in top of each tropic level. So these types of non-biodegradable substances affects human most affect human or affects human most. When we need more crops, so farmers need more crops, improvement of crop, so they can use the chemicals, but they use this type of chemical, so we need more crop production, more crop production, we need more crop production, use of these pesticides, but use of pesticides are under control is necessary, not overuse. When we use for crop production, this type of pesticides are used for under control. When in food chain, when enter biodegradable substance, they can through soil and water in the source, they can through soil and water they can pass in plants, then further herbivores and carnivores. This is called biological magnification. First we write about pesticides and then give the information of sources of soil and water through plants. Then when herbivores eat this type of plants, they goes into herbivores chemicals, and when carnivores eat this type of herbivores, chemicals or pesticides are goes into carnivores and going through on each tropic level. Human is considered as a top part of each tropic level, so it affects human most. So when we need crop production more, we use control of this type of pesticides is necessary. Let's learn some more in-text questions. The first question is, what are tropic levels Give an example of a food chain and state the different trophic levels in it. First off, write successive levels of nourishment in any food chain is called trophic levels. Instead of this type of complicated word, you can write easily when we give in the definition of trophic levels. In all organisms for their food purpose depended on each other, it is called, and make a food chain is called trophic level. Trophic levels shows energy flow in any ecosystem. As per our question, give an example of a food chain. Let's give some simple example of food chain. Example, or we write it, for example, here we make some simple food chain. Suppose grass, depended on grass, mouse, depended on mouse, snake, and depended of snake, hog. Simple food chain. We write, state the different trophic levels in it. So we write grass, they are producers, so they shows first trophic level. Second, mouse, they are consumers, so mouse first type of consumers, or you write it primary consumers, so they shows second trophic level. The third, snake, secondary consumers, so they shows third trophic level. And last, ox. Ox is tertiary consumers, so it shows fourth trophic level. As we discussed in last sessions, trophic level is one step ahead, secondary consumer third trophic level, primary consumer second trophic level, producers first trophic level, tertiary consumers fourth trophic level. Trophic level is one step ahead. You make to awareness to write the trophic levels is most. Let's go through another question. What is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem? We can take already role of decomposers in the factors of a biotic and biotic factors question. In biotic factors we already discussed the role of decomposers. So here we write organisms are dependent on dead bodies and excretory substances of plants and animals and gets their food are called decomposers. We give the examples. Examples of, or we write directly examples. Examples of decomposers are bacteria and fungi. They are the examples of decomposers. Now write a role of decomposers. Decomposers are, as per our question, the role of decomposers. Decomposers are taken complex organic substances and converts them into simple organic substances which are taken by plants. As we know, plants only take inorganic substances, so simple inorganic. Decomposers taken complex organic substances and convert them into simple inorganic substances. They are taken by plants. So the role of decomposers are most important in ecosystem for cyclic pathway. Cyclic pathway means decomposers taken dead bodies, and in dead body they can take complex inorganic substances and convert into simple inorganic substances. In these simple inorganic substances are taken by plants, and through plants they are goes on herbivores, carnivores, and going on. So the role of decomposers are most important. So we give the answers for 2 questions, trophic levels, and you have to aware of write the trophic levels, and we already discussed about decomposers, and we know again for decomposers.